I am Engineer Joseph Orenaike, founder Oretronics Technology. Oretronics Technology targets 30 million lighting customers in Nigeria, whose pain points are high energy consumption with associated high cost of lighting, high failure rate, and short run time of lighting products. 1,000 hours at best in incandescent lighting, and maximum of 8,000 hours in compact fluorescent lighting. High carbon dioxide emission, as well as mercury emission in compact fluorescent lighting. Now, our value proposition, Oretronics Technology develops and manufactures solid-state lighting that consumes 90% less energy than incandescent lighting and saves 90% cost of lighting. Our products are distributed to lighting consumers and end users through online retail outlets as seen on the screen and through the distribution chain. Our technology is based on LED chips bonded on pure synthetic sapphire substrate, which are welded together for the required lumens and then inserted into flared glass shell. Our business model is direct sales and manufacturer-producer on 3 customer segments, namely residential to 56,000 customers, SMEs 198,000 customers, and the hospitality industry 2,400 customers, to give a target market of 443,000 customers in a market size of $6 million per annum. Our lifetime value to customer acquisition cost ratio confirms the financial viability of Oretronics Technology across the 3 customer segments. In our go-to-market strategy, we start selling with Oretronics Technology solid-state lighting, A60, 810 lumens, 6.5 watts, filament LED bulb model on e-commerce marketplace across Nigeria and through the distribution chain. We go to market by 2025 with skimming and premium pricing strategies at price point of 7,660 naira per unit. Our competitors are Signify, Meccano, Jumia, Gadgas, and the local unregulated market. Signify is our closest competitor. We are weaker than our closest competitor only in price attribute. Oretronics Technology's competitive advantage includes second highest energy efficiency globally, 15,000 hours runtime, high reliability, usability, and optimal performance under varying conditions. Our products can be used in any part of the globe. Our team is led by the founder, Engineer Joseph Orenaike, my very self, among 2 other female co-founders. I hold a Master of Science in Electrical Engineering from Fairleigh Dickinson University, United States of America. I have expertise in clean tech and energy efficiency. Our team is special for shared defined goals, committed actions, open communication, diversity, and inclusivity. Oretronics Technology won the ECOWAS Sustainable Energy Forum 2023 Energy Efficiency in Industry in Lighting and Appliances Award. Our impact, financial projections, and key metrics include the following: 20 billion naira in electricity cost savings, 91 gigawatt hour in energy savings, 38,000 tons of carbon dioxide emission savings, and 427 kilograms in mercury emission avoidance, with improvement in energy efficiency by up to 629%. All this in 3 years. Our break-even point is in 2027. By the end of the financial year 2027, our total revenue is over 413 million naira at growth rate of 50%, with net income of 18 million naira from annual sales of 54,000 pieces. We are asking in 2024 for pre-seed funding, including grants, of $400,000 to launch MVP, build founding team, conduct market research and validation. Seed funding of $4.5 million to develop further models, scale initial product development, build customer base, and conduct further market research and validation. Series A to D funding in 2026 to build manufacturing plant here in Nigeria. We are also seeking visibility. Thank you. I'll be glad to take your questions now.